Hello and welcome. Let's look at WAEC 2019 government past question number 12. A local government is relevant because it provides political A. discussion among electorates, B. discipline among party members, C. representation in the judiciary, D. participation of the grassroots. Now it's very important that you know that local government is simply government at the grassroots level. That's what it is. So it is a government at the grassroots of the country or every society. So that very government at the grassroots is the local government. So local government simply encourages the participation of the grassroots. When the government is at the higher level, you don't some people in the grassroots level might not feel the impact, but if it is at the local government level, then everybody feels the impact, especially people at the local government level. So that's why this is the answer. It is not discussion among electorates, neither is this discipline among party members or representation of judiciary. All these could be components of it, but majorly the local government is simply relevant because it provides political participation of the grassroots. Please hit the subscribe button. Thank you and God bless you.